Good day. My name is Ike Ekwueme. I'm a senior at American International College, and I'm also the president of the Enactus team. Interestingly, I know what it feels like to live with a roommate, and I also know what it feels like to live alone. And truly, both experiences cannot be compared. In my freshman year, I had a roommate. But my sophomore year, I thought, okay, let me get a single, let me see what it's like. Well, it's great to have the great space, the big space. It's great to, have your own room, a big bed. But truly, what could I do when I overslept? When a roommate could have easily woke me up. What could I do when ultimately I needed a fridge and my fridge was broke? I couldn't do anything about it. What could I do when, I haven't bought my microwave yet and I wanted to make warm up a quick meal? These are just some of the basic benefits of having a roommate. In addition to just someone to be there to keep the room warm. Not even say anything, just someone to be there to talk to. Someone to just be there to be there for you. Even if there's certain information that you may not get access to. Your roommate would just come in and say, wow, have you heard about this on campus? It was truly a great time. Personally, during the course of my time here at American International College, I've had some different kinds of roommates. I've had someone who, he's a bit untidy. He's a bit untidy. I had someone who, a certain time, lights off. Whatever you're doing, you got it lights off. I had another guy who just brought everyone to the room. Any time I could come in and 5 people would just be there doing anything. And it was very interesting. First of all, in terms of the untidy roommate, I felt if I told this guy something and he still kept being untidy, so I thought, rather than complain about it, why don't we just clean together? Let's treat this room like a family. So I thought, okay, we'll be cleaning together. This would be a way to motivate him and also to keep the room clean. In terms of the guy who liked going to bed early, I learned from him. It even helped me be more disciplined. So ultimately, rather than arguing with him, I thought, okay, let me just get my work done early and sleep on time as well, just as he does. That's a great habit. And also, I strongly did catch a great benefit from living with the guy who brought a lot of people into the room. It actually opened my eyes to see that, okay, I can actually get to know more people on campus from a young age, and this will actually help me to grow as a person and to relate with people. But it was really a truly great experience. With one of my roommates, he was more of an older person, and we reached a consensus, almost a way to share items. Items that we know that we use often, toilet roll, hand soap, like rice when we used to cook. We would take turns, we would shop together and take turns in buying these products. Ultimately, so no one feels like they have a strain on their finances. And we were able to make it work. For individual snacks, we would buy ourselves because we know what we like, we know what we like to eat. But for stuff that we do together, we shop together as well. And ultimately, when the rice runs out, I know it's my go. And when it runs out again, he knows it's his turn. And it worked. We cooked for each other, we helped each other out. Truly, having a variety of roommates has helped me as a person, has helped me to grow, and it's helped me to understand people, and also to better understand myself.